Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can exchange your challenger token that you get from this one division rifle. If you play this division rifles, you can get the challenger token. This one challenger token, this can be earned from division rifles rewards and exchange for packs. So if you are play this one, for example head to head, you can get this challenger token and you can trade the challenger token to the store. Tap the store, tap the event shop and go to division rifle store. You can trade with this one training transfer items that you can use to train your player. When you have enough training transfer item, they will be used preferentially. So it means you can use this training transfer item to zero level or basic level player that need to level up from the maybe level 5 player that unused. You can transfer that unused training level of that player to the basic player you want to upgrade. So per training transfer item you need a 150 transfer our challenger token, I mean. So please free to try. If you're not enough training transfer item, you can exchange with this token. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.